Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. We are doing another car crash video thingamajig. Probably gonna see some people no longer living anymore. Probably most of them, actually. Got a new camera. Let me know if you like it in the comments down below. Let's get into it. Should be fun. We're gonna see if they can survive or not. I'm gonna pre-fire a guess. 3 survivors in any one of the scenarios. Here we go. Or no, total scenarios. Here we go. Overspeeding, never good. Pause. This is terrible. Oh my god. Prime, what are we doing? This is awful. Oh, continue. Okay, we're speeding. We're speeding. Cool. V8 5 point. Oh my god. He made it though. He made it. He's fine. Good maneuver. I like it. Look, calm and collected in the driver's seat too. Don't know about this maneuver. Dang, bro's chilling. What's so wrong about this? I don't see the issue. We're just casually. Oh my god, good maneuver. Good maneuver. This guy's was about to say he's unkillable. He is killable. Wow. Not even his fault though, honestly. Don't even see the fault here. Meow. Oh. Oh nah, buddy's cooked. Might as well just pay for the. God, what an angle. What an angle. Might as well just. Funeral expenses, here we go. I mean, buddy is cooked. We're cooked here. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 0 alive on this one here. I mean, he really almost had it. The control was almost there. Wow. Just yoink. Womp. Yoinked. Yeah, 2 dead. Gone. God, this sucks. Yeah. Oh, we got 1 alive. That's 1. 1 out of 3. Well, no. 1 total. I said 3 total. We're at 1. We're doing good, if you think about it. We're doing good. Now more than ever. Avoid and lost control. Okay, good scenario. Is there no driver here? There's no drive. Look, there's no driver in that red car. He's not in the red car. What is this, a frog taking a crap? What is this image here? What? Taking a dookie. Okay, why are there no drivers in the cars all of a sudden? We were doing good, now we're not. Okay. Okay, I've seen that happen. Yeah, well, that's just a fender bender. Everyone lives there. That's not bad at all. Where's the real damage at? Oh, we're getting here. Nice. Oh, he avoided him. That was lame. Uh-oh. Oh my god. It just keeps on building. Oh yeah, he might need to wear a seatbelt. Good god. Brady got tossed around like a sorority girl on prom night. That's insane. What? Okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. Here's the real damage. See. Womp. Cooked. At least the fan's still spinning, keeping the car cool. Oh, that's a semi too. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ooh, I thought he was about to get squished, bro. Ice cream sandwich type squish. Oh, no, he did. Is that... low key? From my point of view, this guy's still alive. He is not dead. Like, pretty solid chance he's at least got a cut or 2. Almost guaranteed there. But other than that, minor injuries. Bro's fine. He's fine. Okay. Okay, we've seen this angle 30 times. Yep, boom, boom, boom. Oh no, this guy gets hit, doesn't he? Because this guy couldn't have hit the brakes any later. Oh no. Oh, he's cooked. Oh, we're good. That was just a point of view thing here. Okay. Nice. Boom. We're fine. Shuffleboard logistics. He's going to an old folks home driving like an idiot, dude. Maybe he's the old folk. He wanted to get the shuffleboard action on. He's like, we ain't got no shuffleboard over here. I'm gonna get my shuffleboard myself. Ah! Told you he lived. I told you minor injuries. What did I say? Minor injuries. Boom. 2. We're at 2. That's technically a green. Pretty much a green. Oh. Already at 3. I predicted 3 total are living. We're already in 2 scenarios and already got 3 people alive. Oh, yep. Could have called that one. Bye-bye. What is this guy doing? Well, where'd you come from? You weren't even involved, buddy. You better be safe. This guy's fine. Oh, this is a rear ender. Okay, we're good. We Gucci. Highway mayhem. I like it. Alright. Nothing wrong here. Just driving along. Maybe a little family road trip for this guy. Timmy, John, Nate, and Jerry are going on a little road trip. A little traffic, never hurt anyone. Always guaranteed traffic on a road trip. That's what I've learned. Always guaranteed traffic on a road trip. Okay, so we got Jerry and them in this car. Getting Jerry, what are you doing? Oh no. Uh-oh. What if someone's living in there? They're cooked. I just saw him hit his head on the windshield. That's not good. We still revving the engine? That's crazy. Okay, so Jerry caused that. He caused that. Then we got Mike, Tim, and John all messed up. Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Not James, dude. Not James. Are you kidding me? James is fine. He's still driving. He just did a little tumble. So we got Timmy colliding to Jake, and then Jake colliding to Timmy Jr. And then Timmy Jr. tries to swerve, goes and hits Nate, and then Nate does a little tumble roll. He's fine, and then the Timmy Jr. Jake hits Shaquisha. Shaquisha's cooked. Shaquisha is cooked. There's Shaquisha. Boom. Boom. Oh, Shaquisha's fine. Oh, there's Nate and Timmy Jr. Timmy Jr. did a couple flips. Show it off. He's fine. He's still driving. He's fine. Okay, now, what is Mark doing? Mark, okay. Okay, now we're good. We're good. We're good. That was the best one yet. No one's unalive. No one's dead. We're fine. Straight. That was Mark. Nice. Mark's alive. Boom. Timmy's alive. Boom. Jake made it out the cut. Let's go, baby. Dude, Timmy Jr. Yes! Nice, Timmy Jr. Nice. I like it. James made it out the cut. Okay. Distracted driving. So this probably actually happened, probably. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm not seeing any issues here. We need to hurry this up. I'm getting bored. Oh, gotta make sure the wife didn't text, bro. He's like, did wifey text back? Did fine shit text back yet? No, we're good. We're good. Oh! How did this happen here? Now they're actually on a vacation. Timmy just fell to the car. Timmy's cooked. How is this his fault? He didn't do anything. He was checking if the wife was answering his text, bro. The wife ignoring him. Ah! I see. See, why is this guy breaking, though? Woo! Wham! Whoop! There goes Timmy. Whoosh! Whoa! At least you didn't hit Timmy. That's good. Hold on. Nope. Pause. Go back. No, go. Go. Hold on. I can't work this thing. Alright, watch very carefully, very carefully. We're at 0, right? Why are we going 120 now? From 0 to 120, that might be a jet. You go 0 to 120 0.1 seconds. How I get that car? How we get that car on the market? Oh, get away from the screen. Why is my volume muted? What happened here? Why did I do that? Cool. We're all good. Chilling. See, this is family vacay on the way to Walt Disney World. We got Ella in the back. Ella's like, "Yay, I want to go to the Walt Disney World, Mom. Woo!" We got Christy, the mom, going, "We're going there, sweetie. Woo! I can't wait for you to experience Disney World. Yay!" And then John, the dad's like, "God, I can't wait to get there and get a drink and get a beer. Give me a beer up in here." And then Timmy, the little brother, he's asleep. He don't even know what's about to happen. He's about to get launched up out the car, back down into the road, and almost get run over and annihilated. Instant burial process here. 1 flip, 2 flip. Here comes Timmy. 3 flip. Timmy's fine. He's got a little road rash. He's fine. Ella might be cooked though. Crystal's fine. John, backseat. Oh, Ella and Timmy are good. Wow. Rip Ella and Timmy. So is that Crystal or John? Probably John. John drinking his beer. Okay, well we had. Oh, it's only 3. I made John up. There's John. He's watching. John's watching. He's fine. Nothing wrong with him. Katie's fine. Nice. Ghost Driver's fine. This idiot making sure the wife texts him. I respect it, honestly. He's fine. Who's that? Is that Jake? Jake's fine. Oh, we got new Too Heavy to Stop. We got a new like rural suburban area here. It's looking like Florida. Because the green and the mosh and stuff. Listen to the radio, I think. I like it. Too Heavy to Stop. Let's get on with it then. Let's keep going. Mother. This has got to be real. I mean, we even got real actors on this one. Not okay. Wham. Uh-oh. Oh, we're good. Oh! No, he's fine. No one's hurt. Red truck's fine. Yeah, I don't know what red semi's doing here. Whee! At this point, you just know you're gonna take it. You just take it like a good boy. What? Oh, he's fine. No, he's alive. He might. I lied. He might not be alive. Oh, minivan. Timmy got hit again. Timmy, Crystal, Jake, and John and Ella got hit again. Pasta Purgatory? What? Chicken Munch, Bird Murderer to go. Huh? Nashville. We're in Tennessee. Okay. That's not Tennessee. That's Vegas. Look at the mountains. What? Oh, we're fine. Stray pole. Bang! Crystal's dead. Bye, Crystal. Why you gotta hit Timmy like that? What'd Timmy do to you? Oh, and Crystal. L Crystal. Oh, we gotta see who lived. Okay, yeah, obviously he's dead. Nice. Anyone else live? No. Okay, just... Okay. Yeah, he's fine. I'm guessing pretty much everyone lived. That was the video. If you liked it, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you like the camera setup. Let me know if you like the new setup, old setup, this setup, all the setups. Appreciate you for watching, gang. See you in the next one. Peace.